What did I say about the accident? Didn't I tell you never to bring that up again? Didn't I?
Yes, sir.
Nigga, Hall of Fame wife beater.
Yeah.
Dog.
I'm stuck.
Ben, I need to
I'm
use
trying
the
to
cat.
get stuck.
Move the chair,
Something in the
Ben.
way. I'm stuck. Dad.
Move the chair out of the
Dad,
way.
I can't move.
Then I'll move you.
Dog. 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 This nigga been drinking all day. This nigga is alcoholic.
Ben.
Doritos and alcohol.
Ben.
I'm coming. What?
I'm sorry, man. This nigga flipped his son, man. He just threw this nigga. This nigga flipped his son.
Sure.
Come on.
Okay.
Taking so long, Ben. Ben. Ben.
Got it. Coming.
Stop yelling at this nigga, bro. He disabled. It's crazy how all these niggas got the same crib, bro. All of these niggas got the same crib, bro. That's the craziest shit. This nigga just look like a drug addict, nigga.
What's it to you?
Don't you think you've had enough?
No! No, I haven't had enough!
The fuck is you raging for, nigga? What is you raging for, nigga?
No! No, I haven't had enough! This place is too...
What is you raging for, man? What the? What is this nigga raging? Man, somebody please. This finna be me. The funniest vid out.
No! No, I haven't had enough! This place is too cluttered. Why don't you make yourself useful? Clean it up. Pick up some of these empties, right? Can you do that?
Dad, I can't. I can't do it, Dad.
How pathetic is that?
Nigga, he's disabled. What the fuck?
A couple of cans of beer on the floor, huh? How do you expect to get through? How do you expect to get by in this world?
This nigga drunk as shit.
Pick up 2 meager cans of beer.
This nigga drunk as hell.
I'm sorry, Dad. It hasn't been that long since the accident. I'm still getting used to it.
What did I say about the accident? Didn't I tell you never to bring that up again? Didn't I?
What is you raging for, bro?
Move, I need to use the cat.
I'm stuck. I'm trying to get stuck.
Move the chair,
Something
Ben.
in the way. I'm stuck. Dad.
Move the chair out of the
Dad,
way.
I can't move.
Then I'll move you.
This nigga just flipped the nigga.
Dad,
Yo,
are you
he just
crazy?
flipped,
What's wrong with
cuz.
you? Dad, please help me.
This ain't even a start.
Dad, help me get my
This
kid,
ain't even the
please.
end of the video, bro. This the
No!
start.
You get on the chair yourself. Otherwise, you're just gonna be a parasite who sucks the life and the joy out of everything and everyone around you, just like you have me.
Stop calling me that and help me in the chair.
No, you're playing the same card. Look at me, the paralyzed parasite. You get on that chair yourself.
This nigga
can't, I
neck just
can't.
breathing, boy. This nigga shit tweak.
Piece of crippled trash. As a son, you get on that chair on your own.
This nigga drunk as shit.
You do it yourself.
You did this to me.
Oh, he finna beat ass. Oh my god, you done fucked up. This nigga finna crash the. He finna crash the hell out, bro. Nah, this nigga finna crash out. Hell.
What did you say?
This nigga finna crash
You did this
out.
to me. You put me in this stupid chair, and you killed Mom. You're responsible.
Don't you ever speak to me like that again! I'm your father, you hear? You treat me with respect!
Nigga, fuck.
It's all your fault. You're the reason we got in that accident. Because you were drunk.
Nigga be driving
Now
drunk.
Mom's dead.
This nigga's a tweaker.
You killed Mom.
Straight tweaker.
Stupid decisions.
Nigga got water coming out this nigga nose and shit. This nigga crazy.
I know that. Every time I look at you,
Why is you crying, nigga?
it comes to my head. It's a nightmare that I live in every day.
This nigga need to play the Joker, bro.
You remind me of all of it. And I can't deal with it. You understand what I'm saying, man? It hurts too much. And I can't deal with it.
This nigga putting his heart into this acting shit.
Instead of Mom. I wish
Oh, I
that you would.
see why he beat your
And
ass.
I can't deal with it.
I wish that you had died instead of Mom.
I see why he whip your ass, nigga. Time to crash out, nigga.
You're onto something, you know.
Is this nigga Mexican?
Be careful what you wish for, you know. Could come true.
Oh, this nigga finna. Oh. Your ass finna be homeless, little buddy. Crippled. Oh, he finna jump off of. Oh, it's over with, nigga. It's over with. It's over with, bro. You done fucked up. Now you finna have to go to grandma shit or some shit, nigga. It's over with for you, nigga. I promise you. It's over with. I know it. I knew it. Go on, hop on that building, nigga. This nigga don't know what he trying to do. You better not hop off that shit. Ain't no way they making this nigga do this shit for the clip, bro.
Take me! Take me!
Nigga Malachi Gerald tweaking. Malachi Gerald tweaking the fuck out. Nigga just looking. He don't give a
I should be the
damn.
one who's... That was right.
Hey! Hey, buddy! You alright?
What do you care?
Bro, why? Get off, bro.
okay,
You
man.
like he really finna fall over this acting shit.
Just mind your own business.
Nigga really
okay?
finna die,
Fine.
bro. Like in real life, bro. This ain't
You
even no
look fine.
acting shit no more, nigga.
You look like you're about to go over the edge. Can I ask you why?
If he was an
I don't know,
alcoholic, he would.
genius. Maybe I'm just trying to get closer
This
to
nigga
the
really
view.
would have fell off by now.
Maybe I can come up there and join you. Enjoy the view with you. That's alright?
You bozo, I'm trying to jump if you don't mind. I'm trying to put an end to this misery. If you'll just leave me to it.
Yeah, you like you.
I'm not going anywhere. till
Bro,
you
I'm not
come
doing
back.
this for no clip, bro.
What's it to you, huh? You don't know me, I don't know you. I'm just a loser drunk. See everyone? Hey, everyone, look at me, huh? I'm a loser drunk.
Nigga know that's Dr.
I'm not
fucking
a
Pepsi
loser,
in that bitch.
okay? And you're right.
Dr.
We
Pepper
don't
in
know
that
each other, but
fucking
let me
can,
introduce
nigga.
myself. My name's Ray. What's your name?
I don't care what your name is. And I don't need to tell you my name.
Yeah, this nigga
You look
drunk
like you
as
could use
shit.
a friend.
What I need is to put an end to this right now. That's what I need.
You need.
Hey,
what
if that nigga
exactly to be over?
diss me and said, I don't care about your name. And alright, nigga, fuck
pain,
it. Go do it, bitch. ass.
Misery,
Go do it.
the anguish, Ray, the guilt.
This nigga's son just told him to jump off a cliff and he did that shit.
I'm in a prison, Ray. It's a prison inside my own head.
Look, there must be something good in life.
I mean,
Anything
look at him.
good
He
about
gets
you,
no
Ray?
pussy.
My wife is dead, Ray. My son's stuck in a wheelchair forever. And all because of me.
That's tough, boy.
Okay, I stand corrected. But why don't you come down from there? We can talk about it. Maybe
Fuck
you
a
feel
talk
a little-
about it, nigga. Let's
I want to feel
scrap.
better, Ray. I shouldn't be here. I should have been me. What I need to be is dead, not better. I'm just a drunk with no purpose in life. None.
That
Man, quit the talking. Is you gonna jump down or is you
Stay
gonna
away. Stay away,
is you
Ray.
just gonna chill out?
Stay away, Ray. Leave me. Oh.
This nigga tackled his ass. This nigga got tackled. Nigga got tackled.
so. What's your name?
Josephiah.
Carter.
This nigga named Carter.
Name's Carter.
Well, it's nice to meet you, Carter. Now that we know each other.
With this shitty ass beard, fuck you.
Wife and son.
That was an accident. I'd had too much to drink.
This nigga finna jump off or what, bruh? It's time to bug up, nigga.
It was over just like that.
That bag finna fly away, bro. Fuck, dude. That bag. Look at that bag.
I can't even imagine the pain and guilt you must feel.
Should have been me who died. Not her. Nah, I was just too much of a coward to just jump off this ledge.
You're not a coward, okay?
And my son hates me. And I don't blame him.
I mean, nigga, you raging at this nigga, boy.
I can't even stand to look at him. Because it makes me remember everything that I've done.
Look, Carter, I know you lost your wife, but you still have your son, and he needs you now more than ever. I mean, you're his only parent he has left, and you can still turn this around, okay? But you have to stop drinking.
Nigga, fuck that. We not kicking the cup.
I don't think he'll ever forgive me.
Judney.
Let's get
He
you.
was on some bullshit.
Listen, Carter.
Nigga flipped his son for no reason at
It
all.
was a terrible accident. But you can't keep taking your pain and guilt out on your son. Your son will forgive you if you ask him from the bottom of your heart. Let's get you home. See if you can get things right with your son. All right? You still got a chance at life, and your son's depending on you.
I know. My purpose is to make it right for him.
Show lame ass up, nigga.
Come on. Let me get this straight. You want to play football with us, but you're...
Oh, he know you finna whoop his ass.
Wow,
Look
at
how
you.
serious he got.
Got on the chair all by herself.
Shorty,
Ben, can we talk?
listen up, fool.
I know you have absolutely no reason to believe anything I say.
What?
But man, I so sorry for everything.
Why are you pretending to care about me all of a sudden?
Damn.
Ever since the accident, you have treated me like garbage and pushed me around.
Yeah, nigga did flip
You
you.
think it's one
Nigga did flip you, bro.
that?
I realize that I've been angry at myself. And I've been stupidly taking it out on you. Every time I look at you, it reminds me, I shouldn't be the one who's hurting you, Ben. I should be keeping you safe.
Man, shut your soft ass up. Whip this nigga. Come
And I
on.
promise that if you can find it in your heart to forgive me and give me a second chance, I will show to you and I'll prove to you that I am so regretful for taking away everything that we had. Taking away your mom. I promise that if you just give me a chance, I will make it up to you and I will be the father that you want me to be. The
He
father that
lying.
you need me to be. If you'll just give me a chance.
Give me one more chance.
I will never touch alcohol again. I promise.
Shut your lying ass up, bro. That nigga a liar, bro.
What's changed?
Well, let's just
I got dicked down by the nigga with a beard. Tell him that.
little ray of sunshine showed me the way. What do you say? Give me a chance.
Nigga need some chapstick, boy. Chapstick.
Give you.
Chapstick is calling your name.
I love you, son.
I love you too, Dad.
From then on, Carter stopped drinking and helped Ben become more confident.
Man, that's a
Carter
lie.
also stayed friends with Ray.
I'm not kicking the cup.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Fuck you and your pops.